Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Bhavet, and today we are going to be talking about decomposition. We're going to be talking about decomposition, what it is and what happens to the body. Okay, so what is the meaning of decomposition? Well, it's when a person, let's say, meet Bob. Okay, he just died. Okay, for some accident or whatever. So when the doctor declares that when the person stops breathing, their heart stops and their brain dies, then the doctor declares they're dead. That's when decomposition starts. Okay. So after a person kicks the bucket, dies, we have to look at two things: what happens inside and outside the body. Let's start with outside. So it really happens in the beginning, okay? In stage 1, primary flaccidity, okay? And this, the muscles relax, the person's jaw drops, and their eyelids close due to they cannot keep tension. Their eyes close, and they also start to lose body heat. And when the loss of this body heat is called the death chill. Ooh, something like that, okay? So that was what happens in stage 1, when a person firstly dies. Then after a few minutes to a few hours, stage 2 happens, called livor mortis. And what happens in livor mortis is that the blood flow stops, okay, and it settles down at the bottom of the veins, okay? So eventually, after a few hours, in the below areas, okay, below the body and stuff, will start to turn purplish. Then after 3 to 6 hours, we get into stage 3, rigor mortis. In this stage, the body contracts, okay? And the speed depends on the age, the gender, and the environment on how long rigor mortis is, because the body, basically the muscles start from relaxed to contract. And then after 20 to 84 hours, the 4th stage happens, which is secondary flaccidity, which is when the body finally relaxes again. Now let's look at what happens inside. So inside our body, since oxygen can't get in and carbon dioxide can't get out, since we're dead. Okay, the carbon dioxide builds up so much that the cells, okay, they basically kind of get infected, and the carbon dioxide will become acidic and basically make them rupture. Okay? And then there are all these enzymes that start to eat the cells out, okay, which produce fluid blisters that have fluids inside them. And when they're popped up, okay, these fluid has a bunch of nutrients which catches the attention of microorganisms. So these microorganisms basically start eating it. Since there is no immune system, but because the body is dead, the microorganisms thrive like bacteria and fungus. They start eating it more, right? This causes around 400 chemicals and gases to be released from your body, okay? And these will attract various other animals and such, like worms, insects, and such, to basically start eating your dead body until there's nothing but a skeleton. And eventually, even after a very long time, your skeleton will eventually decompose into mud, okay? So that's basically the process of decomposition, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!